It's CHRISTIiAly. Today we are going to be making chicken parmesan with spaghetti squash for the first time, so let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts, some seasonings, avocado oil, cheese, marinara, and of course a spaghetti squash, which you will be cutting the ends off of and then slicing down the middle so you can gut out all of the seeds and strings. You are going to wipe down the spaghetti squash with some avocado oil, and then we will be seasoning it with salt, pepper, and as much garlic powder as your little heart desires. You'll lay these guts down on the oiled foil for 40 minutes at 400. Chicken crust is 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, some salt, some pepper. We'll make 1 egg for the egg wash. We will butterfly cut our chicken so that we can get it mashed down to perfection. We want to be very generous with our Parmesan crust as it is chicken Parmesan. A little extra Parmesan never hurt no one. We're going to cook this for 15 minutes on the second rack at 400, and then we're going to let the squash cool before we fluff it. After 15 minutes, we're going to flip these bad boys and then check to make sure they're cooked through. Now we top these with 1/4 cup of marinara sauce. We will also be adding some mozzarella cheese and then a little bit more Parmesan. Now we will put these back in the oven and broil them for 2 to 4 minutes while we fluff the squash. Each half of the squash will be good for 1 of the chicken breasts, so 2
chicken parm
each. Of course, this meal would not be complete without some garlic knots. Okay. You guys, this is amazing. The spaghetti squash tastes so freaking good, dude. I hope you guys liked today's video. Be sure to leave a like if you liked it and comment below your opinion. Have you tried spaghetti squash before? Did you love it? I think it's so good. Subscribe if you would like to follow along on my journey to and through a healthier lifestyle, where I will be documenting my stresses, struggles, anxieties, and doubts with this journey. I'm going to continue to do recipes like this one. Hopefully they are all as good as this one, because this one is the best, I think, that I've made so far. Leave a comment below if you have any recommendations for other recipes that I could try that maybe have spaghetti squash, because it is just so good. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. Stay happy, stay healthy, and get you some
chicken parm.
Bye guys.